14th of July 2026, and as you can see, weather is cloudy and it is raining also. So right now, this is how the dry sand looks like. Okay, this portion is clean. I will go and try to make a live. So 14th of July, 14th of July, Tuesday. So this is how the dry sand got stuck. Nothing here. This side clean. Let me show you the other side also. Here also. Suspension reservoir, suspension. Everything is clean. Okay. So let's go and I will go and test. So everything is dry here. Here completely dry. So now I will do a wet test. So let me show you exactly how much kilometer is right now. $25,238. So I won't able to drive too much. So it will be somewhere around 25 to 40, 45, like 2-3 kilometers I will drive. In that we will able to know the results. So now you can see it's all wet, and here you can see completely clean, all the mud and water get deposited and the water is falling off from this side. Okay, so everything is wet now. This side also completely wet. Okay, this side little bit of splashes. I believe those came from this side. Most of got stuck over here only. Few water splashes and those mud came from this side, I believe, from this side. And the shockers are completely clean, you can see. So whatever came from this side got deposited here. So this is it. So that's why I want to make a test in which this flap is like completely straightforward, because in that scenario whatever got deposited over here, that also got out, I believe. So that's why I need some time. So I will conduct those tests in few days, and this product will be available by the end of July. So these are the test results. As you can see, it has stopped 90% of the mod properly. Like without this whole area would have been completely destroyed, completely muddy. So let me show you how much kilometer right now. 25,239. So we started at 238, just drove 1 kilometer, not much. So that's it. And this product will cost you like 450 rupees. If you are interested, then do comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.